Okay, guys, and in this lesson, we're going to be looking at writing a bit of CSS in our GSX component, and that's one of the things that makes GSX components actually really good. There are a lot of the options when we come to styling, and you can write styles inside of your components and render them out based on different conditions. So we're going to be looking into just the basics of using our style attributes in React and in our JSX components. Okay, so the major components we have, the major page we have where we need to actually implement these is the about page. So what I'm going to do is come right here into the code. Now I've opened up the about body components. Remember, that's where we have the major thing in our body, the major component. Now if we should come here, we'll see okay, let's use our developer tool to actually check this out. So I'm going to inspect it, and then section is the counter 6. I come back to my code and then come here, images via the CSS file. So that is why it wasn't loading. So all I just have to do is copy that. Now at this particular place, all I have to do is come here and then add a style, inline styling, and then I can say equals to. Now remember, whenever you want to use dynamic value, you make use of this, and then inside we're going to add another curly braces. So here then I can add whatever it is I want, whatever style. So what I can do is just paste this in, but pasting this in will give us an error because the way this has to be, it has to be like an object. So I'm just going to align this part, put it in a quote. So that should take care of the first error. Then I'm going to remove this, and then we're going to set this URL to our images URL, which is inside our public folder, and then to access it we will just put assets slash images slash bg.jpg. So I'm going to come to my app.css and then search and then jpg, and then this is the second one, which is w3. It has a class of w3l middle. So I'm just going to copy everything right here. So just copy that, and then let's search for w3l then middle. Okay, so we have this. All I just have to do is say style equals to then my double curly braces. Then I can come down to another line if I want to see it well. So I'm just going to make sure to highlight this, and then add my quotes, and then change the path to assets. Alright, so we have this sorted. Then let's save and let's see view our page in the browser, right? Okay, so we can see right here it works, and then let's check the second one. Let's see if that works also. So we can see it also works. So that's basically all right, the thing you need to know. So you can add inline styling. Inline styling is actually something very common in React, and it is actually real easy, though we have a lot of other options for styling, such as modular CSS. We have options such as style components, emotion, a lot of them like that. But these basic ones, making use of your regular CSS file or SCSS, and then or making use of your normal inline styling also works very well, perfectly for beginners. So thank you very much. I will see you in the next lesson.